Welcome to Learn in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will learn how to navigate Social Studies Google Classroom, how to access Google Classroom, and how to navigate into your Social Studies class. The requirements for this training are a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Any of these devices needs to have a web browser installed. You need a reliable internet connection and a Google account. Let's begin. The first step will be for you to open a web browser. Next, you need to identify the address bar. Click on top of the address bar and type classroom.google.com. Once you have completed entering the address, press Enter in your keyboard. That will take you directly to your Google Classroom, where you will have access to all your classes. Another way for you to access Google Classroom is when you open your browser, go to google.com. There, look for Google Apps icon on the top part of the browser. Click on it. You will see a large list of Google Apps. Now you need to scroll down until you find the Google Classroom icon. Select it and click on it. That will take you to Google Classroom. Now let's navigate through your classroom. Here you will see all your classes. For every class you will have a class card. You can easily identify the class subject and the instructor for that class. Additionally, you can find in this page links to different areas of your classroom. If you select Calendar, you can find when every assignment is due. You can access your assignments either selecting the To-Do link on the top of the class cards or using My Work icon at the bottom of the class card. If there are some pending assignments you need to complete, those will appear in the class card. On the top right side of the Google Classroom, you will find the Google account icon. Click on it. It will open a box showing you your personal information, like name and email associated with your account. At the bottom of this box, you can find the button to sign out of Google Classroom. It is a good idea to use this option after you finish working on your assignments if you are using a public computer. But what if you cannot find the class you're looking for? Where is the Social Studies class? In case you have not been added to the class, there are a few things you can do. First, you can ask your instructor for him to add your class. Another way is at the top right side of the Google Classroom, click on the plus sign. This is the option to add a new class. Select Join Class from the two-option menu that appears. Now, it will be needed for you to ask your instructor for a class code. The class code is a 7-character code that identifies the class. Once you have input the code, click on the Join button at the top right side of the screen. Following these instructions will be possible for you to add the class you were missing. The class will appear in the Google Classroom screen as a class card. It is time now to learn how to navigate Social Studies. To enter the class, you will need to click on top of the Social Studies title. This will take you inside your Social Studies class. Here, you will find three options in the top part of the screen: Stream, Classwork, and People. Stream will be the section where you will land in the class. This section shows you the most recent activities presented by the instructor, as well as assignments and quizzes. On the side of the screen, you will see an area for upcoming assignments. It is important for you to pay attention to this list and work on those assignments or quizzes as soon as you can. If you select Classwork, you will see the structure of the class, how the class is being divided, and the assignments and quizzes for each unit. On top of the units, you can find a link to View Your Work. If you click on it, it will take you to a screen where you can see all the assignments you have for that class. You will have a menu on the left side to filter the assignments. The last option in your social studies class is people. Here you will find the list of your classmates and instructors. The last part we will learn in this video will be how to turn in your assignments and how to check your progress in the social studies class. First, to submit your assignment for grading, select an assignment. When you open the assignment, you will identify the name of the assignment, the instructor, and the due date. After this, the assignment will appear below. If you click on it, you will be able to work on it. Once completed, you can turn in your assignment by clicking the button on the right side labeled Mark as Done. Your instructor will receive the assignment and will proceed to grade it. Once graded, you can go back to your work screen and you will be able to see the grade for the assignment or quiz. With this, we complete the training video on how to navigate Social Studies Google Classroom. I hope this video has helped you learn the skills on how to access Google Classroom and how to navigate into your Social Studies class. Remember, you can watch this video again if you feel it's needed. And now it is time for you to use what you learned to get into your Google Classroom classes. Do not forget to take the 2 quizzes that appear in the assessment section in this page. You can take the short survey appearing in the bottom of the assessment page. This survey will help us improve these videos. And don't forget, there is always time to learn something new. Thank you.